Hello everyone, friends. Today I have prepared for you a cool selection of the fastest trains in the world. A selection of the top 10 is waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, it really inspires me to make new videos. Ninth place. Shinkansen, Japan. Translated from Japanese, the name of this high-speed car sounds like new highway.
The average speed of one of the safest and most reliable trains in the world is 330 km/h, and during the tests, Shinkansen reached the mark of 442.5 km/h.
Eighth place. Transrapid 07, Germany. The high-speed line between Berlin and Hamburg did not start operating, but when testing the 07 model of the Transrapid project, it accelerated to 450 km/h. Funding for the fastest train at the time was curtailed, but the Transrapid went down in the history of rail transport, and then the Chinese bought the technology. Seventh place. Harmony -388, China. The Chinese mainly use German technologies for creating magnetic cushion roads, but they are ahead of all countries in the world in terms of investment in this industry. In 2010, the test train, Harmony -388, covered a distance of 220 km for a record for China, and the world 486.1 km/h. Today, the development of such a high-speed mode of transport in China is second only to Japan. Sixth place. Transrapid 08, Shanghai. This project is also called the Shanghai Maglev, and it became China's first maglev railway line. Designed and assembled in Germany, the magnetoplane can accommodate 440 passengers. But the speed that it is able to develop reaches 500 km/h. Although its cruising speed is stated at 300 km/h. Fifth place. Transrapid 09. Transrapid 09 is a magnetic levitation transport from Transrapid. It was commissioned by the Federal Ministry of Economy and Technology as part of the Further Development Program (WEP). This train has been optimized for regional traffic. The train is designed for a maximum speed of 505 km/h and a working speed of 350-430 km/h. Now the train is undergoing final tests, and in the very near future the residents of Germany will appreciate the novelty.
Whoa!
Fourth place. ML-500R, Japan. An experimental project of Japanese designers moves on a magnetic suspension and develops a speed of 517 km/h. This model has never been used to transport passengers on transport lines. It was created for testing, and modern designs of the fastest trains are created on its basis. Today, a separate high-speed Shinkansen line operates on the Japanese islands, along which high-speed maglev cars move. Third place. Untitled, Italy. The Italians also decided to keep up with modern technologies, and in 2007 launched their own high-speed line. Untitled has already shown a record in the tests, breaking the mark of 574 km/h. But the operational speed on the line is 360 km/h. The second place. Tavest v. France. The French train firmly holds the leading position as the world's fastest train running on rails. In 2007, the toughest V reached a speed of 574.8 km per hour. It was possible to obtain such results by increasing the power of electric motors, as well as by applying design solutions in the aerodynamics of the composition. Interestingly, after the tests, the train driver said that he was forbidden to exceed the mark of 575 km per hour. First place. Maglev 01. Japan. It is not surprising that the speed record on the railway belongs to the Japanese. Today, the Maglev 01 is the fastest train in the history of the railway industry. 603 km per hour, this speed was able to develop this model on a magnetic cushion. In 2003, a train of this series set a speed record with passengers on board. Then Maglev accelerated to 581 km per hour. Experts note that these technologies are reliable and safe. That's all from me, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Write in the comments which train you liked the most. All bye.